In this video, I will discuss about YouTube channel ideas that you can start without showing your face or using your voice. All the channel ideas that I am going to mention in this video, they all are monetized, and I will show you plenty of examples of channels that do make money. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and some efforts. Now let's get started. The first channel idea is statistics videos, commonly known as a data video and those bar chart race films. With 1.3 million subscribers, Data is Beautiful is the most popular channel in this category. These videos are popular because they are visually appealing and have materials that appeals to a broad audience. The most popular website and the most popular TV series are featured in the top videos on the channel with millions of views. Now you are wondering how to make these videos. So my answer is, you can make this using online software program called Flourish. The software's basic package is free to use, which means that all your data and charts will be available to the public. This is fine if you are going to post the videos on YouTube anyhow. There are also extra premium plans with more features. So in a nutshell, creating the charts is relatively easy part. The difficult part is compiling the data. But this is where value lies. If you can locate exciting datasets like this, you will get a lot of attention. This niche may not be for everyone because you will have to search deep to find fascinating facts. However, you may start by looking on Wikipedia, or you can acquire social media information, or you can acquire statistics from Social Blade for YouTube data. The second channel idea is all about the life hack videos. In this category, 5 Minute Craft is the most popular channel. Over 72 million people have subscribed to their channel. They shoot short and snappy life hacks and tips, mainly around the homes. Then what they do is, they put them in compilation to post on YouTube. This requires a little bit more efforts than the last one because you will need to film something worthwhile and then put it together. But you won't have to reveal your face or voice. Another one of these channels is called Power Vision, and it has a lot of videos. Car vs Rainbow Toothpaste and 17 simple life hacks with watermelon is an example of life hack videos that this channel is presenting. In just 2 years, these videos have generated 168 and 157 millions of views. They also run several other things that generate a lot of views. Again, this will require some planning and filming, but if you start small and concentrate on the things around the home, you can apply the same idea to the different niches. For example, you can make a channel about cooking hacks, cosmetic hacks, and car hacks if you have a piece of specific knowledge in any of these fields. The concept remains the same. Film some useful tips, make a compiling title, then put a video on YouTube without showing your face or voice. Number 3 niche is tech videos. When I say tech videos, I mean product-based videos like this channel Cool Gadgets. Essentially, these kind of channels are compilation of product advertisement such as this one amazing car gadgets on Amazon and cool robots you can buy on Amazon. These videos has been seen over 5.6 million times. The video is monetized with ads as well as Amazon affiliate link in the description, which means that if someone purchases one of these things, the owner of this channel gets a commission. You may be thinking that these videos are copyrighted, so that you are not allowed to post them. In most cases they are. However, the company's ultimate goal is to sell these things, and they would have no objection to you reposting these videos as long as they are not portrayed negatively. Plus, it's free promotion for them. If you made a video titled "The 5 Worst Amazon Car Gadgets," I'm sure one of the companies would send a YouTube a takedown notice if you use their videos. As you can see, these channels are performing quite well and are all monetized. Also, you have no idea who the channel owner is because they do not show their face or use their voice. So I think this is the easiest niche on my today's list. So that I highly recommend you to think about this niche and start taking action today. You can get these videos from Amazon. What you need to do is simply go to the Amazon and search here for the car gadgets or anything you want. Once you click on search, thousands of gadgets will be displayed here. Then click on any one of them you want and you can see the video over here. You can download this video. Now in order to stitch these different videos together that you have downloaded from Amazon, you need some video editing software, and the one that I recommend that's absolutely free, and that is openshot.org. So go ahead and go to the openshot.org and get your free software now. So you could stitch together the videos that you will be downloading from the website. It's just a basic editing. All you need to do is put together 2 clips or all the clips that you have got from the different sources. Keep watching because I'll show you what tags to use, and I will show you what titles to use as well, and how you will be able to see those tags. So I'm running the software called vidIQ and TubeBuddy. What that software does is, you can see all these video tags over here. So these are the tags that this person is using to tell YouTube where to push this content and what this video is all about. Another thing that I want you to do is you want to try and do the similar titles, because we already know that this type of titles are attracting a lot of viewers. So what you want to do is, essentially, you want to make a similar titles and you want to use the same tags to drive your videos to the similar audience. In order to use these tags, come over to the site called vidIQ and TubeBuddy. I'm going to have a link in my description box as well. You can get away with the free version once you sign up over here. You are going to be able to see the tags and you are going to be able to replicate these tags and use the exact same tags when you are posting them on your YouTube channel. The final YouTube channel idea that you can start without showing your face and without using your voice is meditation or relaxation videos. One such channel is called Meditation Relax Music, which has 2.4 million subscribers, and as you can see, they post soothing music and sounds combined with some great graphics. If you are talented, you can film the videos and compose the music yourself. In this case, you hold 100% of the copyright. Otherwise, you can use the copyright-free sound and video and stitch them together in the nice way. If you want to automate this kind of channel, you can always get the music on Fiverr. Simply search for relaxation music or meditation music and you will find a plenty of sellers. For example, this person can provide 200 tracks, each lasting 1 or 2 hours for only $35, and you will have commercial license plus complete rights to use the music. Numerous other sellers are doing the same thing. So the content is easily available. Once you have a piece of music or sound, you can simply loop it to make it longer than 3 hours. Or if you want this whole channel to be automated without doing anything by yourself, you can do this because on Fiverr, so many sellers offering this kind of service. You can check that out in your time. I will drop a link for a Fiverr in the description box. For example, this guy over here says that he will do all the hard work for only $35. He will create a YouTube channel and also the logo, thumbnail, and he will also do the SEO for your channel on your behalf. So I do hope that you did get some value out of this video, and if you think you like my content, please make sure go ahead and smash that like button right now. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the most easiest way to make money online, make sure to click on the first link down below in the video description. And that's brings me to the end of this video. I will see you in the next video.